Hey guys, welcome to my very first video on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created some really cool ads using Nano Banana AI. We'll be making 3 different types of ads to explore what this tool can do. First, we'll design banner ads that look like billboards and posters, perfect for catching attention in a big way. Then, we'll move on to product ads, which work great for promoting things like drinks, supplements, or any other items you want to highlight. Finally, I will show you how to make UGC ads. That's where a model is holding the product, giving it a realistic and professional touch. Nano Banana can be accessed through Gemini or Google AI Studio. In this video, I'll be using Google AI Studio, but if you want to do this with Gemini, you can do that too. Alright, let's get started with creating these cool billboard and street-style art ads. To do this, you'll first need a reference image of the subject you want to place in different locations. Here's mine. A quick quote I designed in Canva. You can easily make something similar, whether it's a quote, product, or any design you want to showcase, using Canva or any other tool. Once your reference image is ready, simply upload it through the plus icon in Google AI Studio and select the Nano Banana model from the top right corner. Once your reference image is ready, simply upload it along with the prompt I've provided below in the description, then hit the Run command. Just wait a few seconds while the model does its magic, and boom! In no time, it creates this super cool banner ad from my quote. The quality is absolutely mind-blowing, so sharp and clear, and if it makes any little mistakes, no worries. You can easily tweak and polish it in Canva. Now look, by further modifying the prompt along with the reference image, you can create something really unique like this. Take a look at this example. Here we have a plain wall turned into a giant canvas for a motivational quote. Doesn't it look like a real piece of urban street art? That's the power of the right prompt combined with Nano Banana AI. If you want to create this urban street art, then check out the prompt in the description and create of your own reference image. Let's move on to creating product ads. To make these kinds of ads, you'll first need a reference image of the product you want to showcase. For example, I've got this reference image of creatine powder. We'll use it to create a professional-looking ad. I want this creatine powder to appear as if it's been shot inside a real studio, with those clean cinematic studio lights highlighting every detail. So here's the prompt for that. Let's hit run. Wait for a second as the AI is working on it. It will take few seconds to generate the image. And just look at the result. It honestly looks like it was photographed by a professional studio photographer. The lighting, the shadows, the overall finish. It gives off that premium, high-quality vibe that instantly makes the product stand out. I further want this product to held by a young fitness influencer, so I will simply put prompt for that and look what it created in seconds. This is amazing. Look how crisp and clear is this picture. You can further take this ad to next level by your creativity, alright? Now let's create an ad for the Cristiano Ronaldo CR7 perfume. For this, I've got 2 images ready. One is the actual CR7 perfume bottle, and the other is a reference image whose style we want to replicate. The great thing is, you can take inspiration from any product ad, study its lighting, background, and overall vibe, and then apply that same style to your own product. So let's upload both images, add in our prompt, and hit the Run command. Just wait a moment, and there it is. The result looks stunning. Our CR7 perfume ad recreated in the same stylish vibe as the reference picture. It perfectly carries that premium, bold CR7 energy, just like an official campaign shot. Now, let's see how easily you can create an ad for any drink using Nano Banana. It's honestly mind-blowing when you think about how far AI has come. Just a year ago, this wasn't even possible. And now it feels like it can create anything as long as you describe the scenario with the right prompt. For this example, I have a caffeinated energy drink. All I need to do is upload a simple, plain picture of the can along with my prompt describing how I want the ad to look. Let's hit run and wait for just a few seconds. And here it is. Look at the result, crisp, clear, and incredibly accurate. The ad looks so professional that it's hard to believe it was generated in seconds. Now, let's jump into UGC ad creation. If you want to make ads like these, all you need is a model image and a reference image of your product. With tools like Leonardo AI, you can even generate ultra-realistic models for free. So let's create our first UGC ad. Here I have a reference image of the model and our product, which is Prime Energy Drink. Now watch how I will make the model hold our prime energy drink using Nano Banana. Now let's upload this reference image of our model and product along with the prompt, and just hit the run command. Wait for a second as like previous, the model is working on it and it takes time. And boom, our realistic UGI ad is ready. It looks absolutely stunning, crisp, and so professional that it feels like a real photo shoot. Now let's create another UGI ad, this time for a beauty product. Just like before, we'll follow the same steps. Upload a reference image of the model along with the product image. I'll simply upload both images with the prompt, hit run, and in no time, look at the result. The AI has generated a stunning, ultra-realistic ad that looks like it came straight out of a professional beauty campaign. Now, this is the crazy part. You can even make your model wear the products. Clothes, accessories, gadgets, caps, anything you want. Nano Banana can handle it. As you can see, I just uploaded the model image along with the product reference, added a simple prompt, and hit the run command. Just give it a moment, and look at this. The result looks so real, like the model is actually wearing it. All the dresses match perfectly, the details blend in naturally, and it feels so professional. Now, let's change the lighting of this photo to something more dramatic. I'll just add a simple prompt for this. Hit the run command, and look at the result. It's absolutely mind-blowing how realistic and powerful it looks. I've compiled every prompt used in this video into a Google Doc. You can find the link in the description below. That concludes today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoy watching this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. We will catch in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep hustling.